Hi, my name is JT from True Level Concrete. The owner called us because they're seeing cracks in the drywall, cracks in the stucco, some on their chimney. You're basically walking downhill in the house. It kind of cracked off midway in the house, so that was the worst section, is this front side. And it basically pivoted from halfway of the house was the worst. And just stretching drywall, doors weren't working very well, and then also their concrete slab inside was all cracking and failing. It was off level up to 11 inches in this corner here. The foundation footings aren't sitting on the soil anymore. Instead, it's basically a 40-foot foundation onto bedrock at the end of the piles. So now that we've installed these piles, compared to other houses on this block, this house will not sink again.